ఠాకూర్ గారిని మాట్లాడాల్సిందిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాము.
Thank you so much. So firstly, to all the friends from media, thank you for turning up once again for AHA. And I'm very happy to see everybody is in mass today. We live in very difficult times, and that you guys come week after week to support stars like Karthik and directors like Kaushik means a lot to us. So thank you so much. Today, it's not my usual speech on AHA because I think what you just heard are two very honest and then hence super successful future director and a superstar already. I'll tell you why I loved what you said. Now let me tell you the other side of the story. Firstly, this film is very special for us because Allu Arvind presents this film and Allu Arvind presents AHA. So thank you, Arvind sir. Your first film is special for us and it will always be. Bani Vasu is as essential a part of AHA as any of us are. So Vasu, I hope you are here. I wish you were here, but thank you so much. And Lavanya couldn't join because she was in touch with somebody who potentially needs to be tested. So that's why she couldn't come. But look at these two guys, and I will tell you the AHA story of this film. So yesterday morning, the marketing team presented a budget for the film. And typically you would expect, right, because you feel the film wasn't successful or because COVID, we don't know what will happen. And I said, Raj, Pranita, Riddhi, increase the budgets. So we have, as of yesterday, increased the marketing budget of the film because at AHA, I truly believe that this is full paisa vasool family entertainer. And this film will do very well. Otherwise, we would not be here with all of you trying to, market this film again. We principally believe, and we have very hard benchmark. We have an internal screening committee which rates the film. And this film's rating is amongst the best that we have from internal committee. So we are going to spend more because I believe you made a very special film. We live in a very, very unpredictable time. And guys, a big round of applause for both of them to come here and stand here and say they could have done better. I think they have made a good film. So thank you, Kaushik. With this humility, so Kaushik could have said, and we've had this without naming some other colleagues of yours, where they said, I'm done with the film, it's not worked, let's move on. But Kaushik didn't do that. Kaushik said, no, we'll give you a better cut. We were happy with the original cut. If Kaushik had said no, we would have still run with the original cut, and I think it would have been still good. But the fact that for a young man like you, you have absolute honesty, humility, and you're willing to do things differently, you're going to be a guy to watch out for. And this is something Arvind sir and I discussed, so thank you so much for that. And for somebody with a super hit film behind him, for here to come and apologize, I don't need to tell you anything. You are a superstar already in your own right, Kartikeya, so you'll do very well. So that is all from our side. We believe in the film. We have increased the marketing budget of the film. We have set up this event, and thank you for making us come together once again. We believe this film will do very well. It's a full family entertainer. And to all the Telugu audience, my only request, do not go by what you read, do not go by the reviews, do not go by just the box office numbers. Sometimes a film deserves a second chance because we live in strange times, and this is one film that deserves a second chance. Whether you download AHA or not, but do give this film a chance. Thank you so much, and thank you so much.